The next thing I want to show you is how you could have media type and expressions combined in one media query. So that's what this looks like right here. And so here's our media query, right? And we're saying, hey, the media type is print. You could only have one media type. So print, that's it. And this is being applied to print, and it's going to be when minimum width, so 600 up, and when a maximum width, 899 down. So this is only going to apply when something's being printed and the width of the printed page is between those two criteria, right? So that's kind of a weird media query, but I just wanted to illustrate that this is possible. And you can only have one media type, and you could have multiple expressions. So notice that's what I called the title of this lecture: media type, singular, and expressions, right? Multiple expressions. And so I do have an example that sort of illustrates combining multiple things. And here in 032, 04 combo, we have these right here. We have two media queries, 600 to 899, and we have 900 plus. I'm going to open all of that and then just kind of bring my CSS over on its own. Boom, boom. Cool. So here is the HTML. And we have media query. And I've got this flipped from the way I was doing it before. So let me just make this consistent. There we go. And flip this one. There we go. And get the CSS all the way out of the way. Cool. So we have a combo here. We have 600 to 899. And if I wanted to, I could add in screen. I think I'm going to change this example over here to screen because print doesn't really make sense because you don't really think about printing in terms of min width and max width like that. And screen is just obvious. And if you don't specify it, it gets applied to it anyhow because the default is screen. All right, so here's min width 600, max width 899, and it's being applied to the screen. So we're using one media type and multiple expressions, and they're separated with and. And so when that happens, 600 to 899, everything's going to go green. The H1s will go green. Before, they were blue. And then when we hit 900, we're going to go red. So 600 to 899 is green. 900 plus is red. So let's look at that, just make sure it works. We're at 900 plus. As we bring it down, there's 600 to 899. 899 is green. I can't get right on 899. Give me 899. I am like both sides of it. Oh, dude, 899, where are you? Oh, I was there for a second. Whatever, 899 is green all the way down to 600. Maybe 600 will be easier to hit. Ah, there we go. 600 is green, but 599 is blue. So that's how we do it. And we're using multiple expressions there, and we're also using one media type. And you can't use multiple media types. And just to illustrate that, I put together this file right here. Media queries right there, and combo, and multiple media types don't work. And so here I said, hey, print and screen. And so when print and screen go, we should have a border of dash red, right, for both print and screen. And when this one goes print, we should just have a border of dash black. And so when I preview this page, right, there's no borders. So this screen didn't get applied, right? That one right there did not get applied to the paragraph, you know, this one. And when I do print, I get this one, but I don't get that one, even though I was trying to specify multiple media types. So the point of this example was you can't use multiple media types like that. If you're going to do it, you would do all, and then do refresh. I'm looking at the wrong page. Let me load it again. So that does it, and that does it. So all is one of the keywords that you could use, and then it's doing all, but you can't use multiple. So I'm just going to duplicate that and change this back to screen and print, and then put in a comment This doesn't work. You can't have multiple media types. And we'll put in a comment here. Whatever, dude. What did I just do? There we go. I'm back. This does work. Anyhow, there we go.